In this video, I'm going to be talking about the silver and gold coins I will be buying in 2022. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy talking about precious metals, so make sure you blast that subscribe button, get the bell notification click, that way you get updated with any new content. Today I am going to be discussing the silver and gold coins I will be buying in 2022. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, I talk all things stacking silver and gold. I also talk about buying and reselling. I do have weekly live streams Tuesday evenings, 7 p.m. Eastern. You can also follow me on Instagram at Empire Precious Metals and check out my website, empirepreciousmetals.com. Today I'm talking about the silver and gold that I'm going to be buying in 2022. Those of you that saw a recent video that I posted, I was talking about my gold goals for the year of 2021. My goal was to reach 40 ounces of gold by the end of the year. And if you saw that video, and I'll try to remember to put the card right up there. If you saw that video, you saw that I actually came up short. I actually hit just over 32 ounces. I was about 8 ounces shy of the goal. Reason being, well, if you want to see it, again, check out that video and I discuss what I bought, and I also discuss why I did not reach that goal. That being said, what is my goal for 2022? I do intend on buying more gold. I continue to stack gold and not so much silver. Reason being is that silver is quite cumbersome. I've done plenty of full stack videos where I realized just what an absolute pain in the ass it was to lug that silver up and down flights of stairs and getting it out of different safes. And, God forbid if there was like a SHTF situation where you had to get out of Dodge, it's just a really cumbersome thing to try to have to carry around all that silver. Whereas you can pack a lot of wealth in gold coins. So for 2022, I would like to, at the bare minimum, hit that 40 ounces of gold. That's what I would like to do as my minimum. And my main goal is to try to do that in buffaloes. I would like to get a tube of buffaloes, and here I've got 6 of them. As you can see, the gold buffaloes is a very popular coin, beautiful coin. So I do want to get a tube, which would be a total of 20. Those of you that don't know, tube looks like something like this, right? And you would fit 20 of those in here. So my goal would be to eventually get a tube of gold buffaloes. Is that going to happen? I don't necessarily think so, especially if my goal is just to hit 40 ounces, right? I need to hit, get another 8 ounces, which would bring me up to 14. I would still be 6 shy, but I would like to concentrate on stacking gold buffaloes. However, I do like deals, as I'm sure many of you do as well. And every once in a while, something like, let's say, for example, this gold completer coin or this John Wick round, something like this is going to come across my radar and it's going to be less expensive than a buffalo and an eagle. Then I'll pull the trigger and I'll buy these because of the weight and also because it adds variety to the stack. Eventually, you start getting bored of stacking the same thing over and over again, right? If you keep stacking gold eagles and buffaloes, or even maple leafs, it gets a little dull. So when able, and if there's a good deal, I will buy different coins, something collectible like a Scrooge McDuck, although this wasn't a deal. But these were a deal, as was this Gold Britannia. I was able to get these for less. Should you do that? Absolutely. I think if you're stacking gold and you want to stack for weight, if you do see something that costs less than a buffalo or an eagle, while these are the main go-tos here in North America, I do recommend that you get something else if it is cheaper. Now, like I said, I want to hit 40 ounces, bare minimum. 8 ounces is very easy to do. The other thing, though, is I would like to increase and maintain and hold onto fractional gold. I have a lot of 10th ounces right here. I would like to start buying more quarter-ounce gold coins. I had quite a few, but because the premiums went up on those and I was able to get a higher premium for those when I sold them on my auctions, that's why I kind of unloaded them. But I would like to build up my quarter-ounce gold coins, absolutely. In fact, fact, I'm looking on here. Here's some of the 1/4 ounce gold eagles that I have. I only have 4 of them, one of which happens to be a proof, and I got the 1/4 ounce Britannia right there. So the reason that I want to get more of the fractional gold is because if I wanted to offload any gold and wanted to sell less amounts at any given moment, I would be able to sell a lot easier than I would 1 ounce coins. You're going to get better purchases when you do buy 1 ounce gold coins. However, if you pay a little bit more in premiums and you buy the fractional gold, you're going to find that you have a broader reach when it comes to selling fractional gold, because just think about it. People don't necessarily have $2,000, $2,100 sitting around to buy a 1 ounce gold coin. But if you wanted to sell a 1/4 ounce piece of gold or even a 1/2 ounce piece of gold, there are more people able to part with $500, $600 than they are 2,000. So 40 ounces is going to be my bare minimum. If I'm going to be realistic, if I do at least 1 ounce per month, 12 ounces, that would put me at 44 ounces. I think that's very doable. So I'm going to say that I want my 2021 goal to be at least 44 ounces by the end of the year. I would like to do the bulk of those in buffaloes with some 1/4 ounce gold coins mixed in. Curious as to what your goals are going to be for 2022. A lot of stacking channels do happen to put silver and gold stacking goals on their YouTube channels. That is my gold stacking goal. Now, when it comes to my silver stacking goal, now we're talking about something totally different. I did say that silver is a major pain in the butt to stack. It's very cumbersome. And so when it comes to 2021, my stacking of silver, my goal was, I didn't have a goal. I was just going to buy silver as certain pieces came available. If something caught my eye or something was really, really cool and I wanted to add it to my stack, I would, whether it be Star Wars coins or an interesting round, etc. But I really didn't increase my silver position over the course of 2021, mainly in part that the premiums were so much higher than what I am comfortable paying for my stack. When it comes to the business side of things, as you know, I have my website and my auctions, and I sell on Instagram. That is when I'll buy a couple items that are a little bit higher premium, but I am able to recover those costs. But when it comes to my stack, I'm a lot more frugal, and I'm not necessarily going to be buying crazy silver pieces. So when it comes to something like a silver eagle, I'm not going to be buying silver eagles in 2022 unless the prices come way, way down. When it comes to generic silver, like generic silver buffaloes, they were having a sale on various bullion dealer websites for silver for Black Friday, and some of these silver generic rounds, the buffalo rounds, were going for like $27, $28 each, which is just, in my opinion, obscene. That is just absurd. I was buying those 1 ounce silver buffaloes just a few years ago for like $16, $17 a piece. I cannot bring myself to buy the generic silver rounds for $27, $28 each. And when it comes to the silver eagles, $34, $36, $38 a piece, I just can't do it. Something psychologically with me sits a heck of a lot better buying gold and paying a little bit more for gold than it does the silver. Now, there are going to be people that say that silver has a tremendous upside potential and that silver hasn't seen its day, yada, yada, yada. Whether that's true or not, I mean, I'm not one to say. I don't make those types of predictions on this channel, but I just when it comes to the premiums, I have a lot of an easier time making the gold purchases than I do silver. So my stacking goals for 2022, I'm going to be focusing on gold. Occasionally I'll buy some silver here or there, but 44 ounces is what I would like to have my stack reach. If it could be any higher, that would be fantastic. And again, like silver, I don't really care. What are your stacking goals for silver and gold for 2022? Let us know in the comments down below. And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.